go. Okay. Well, now you run down there so they'll be tired. Okay, get it. Oh, look at Kayla hanging with you. Good job. Kayla hanging with you. There go Mace bringing it up the rear. All right. Oh, he going again.
So where should go?
Look, Marcy said go. She rested.
Say it.
On your marks, get set, go.
What's that noise?
Come on. March, get set, go. Okay, we got the hall girls out here. Kanisha's, Kiana want to show her own skills. Yes, go ahead.
I do by myself.
Good job. KK wanted to show her own skills. There go Mace and Kayla. They're going to come back and do it again. Y'all doing good.
I need to chill out.
Y'all will sleep good tonight. Look at Mace, yo. Oh, look at that form. Whoa, whoa, look at that form. Whoa, all right. Oh, okay, they're taking a break now. Get march, get set, go. March, get set, go. Look at Kayla. Woo, get it, Kayla. Wow, look at that form. Beautiful form. Woo. Some holes, boy. On your march, get set, go. Okay, Kayana wants to show her form. All right. Keep them arms close. You got to keep them arms real close.